typically with my mom, you have to give her like 4-day in advance notice if you want her to go anywhere. She's going to check the weather.
One or 2 days.
1 or 2 days. Okay, I got carried away. 1 or 2 days notice with her. And so you can imagine my absolute surprise when she said, okay, let's go thrifting. So we're heading out now. We have Babiccina in the back. Oh my goodness, 3 generations. 3 generations of thrifters. So we're heading to the thrift store now. She's reading a magazine. I like to take magazines with me for like inspiration, and she needs it to keep her distracted because she's in the front seat. Mesami, who know me, or my Mère, know that she typically sits in the back because her nerves. I don't know why she's nervous with me. I'm like the slowest, safest driver.
Just about everybody.
Right, so she's always in the back.
If I can't get if I can get back there.
Yeah, but now with Babiccina in the back and my tiny car, that's not an option. So yeah, we are heading out, spend the day or at least a few hours with us thrifting. Alrighty, ciao for now. You say ciao for now, Mom?
Ciao for now.
Area is cardigans. It's cute. The dresses. Let's see.
Oh, look at little one.
You say hi. Hi.
How can they breathe with all that plastic?
This little air vent, and then there's holes. She's too tiny to have the mask. I said, this is perfect.
Mama gotta do what Mama gotta
Yes. The baby in the bubble. I am really not looking for anything. That wasn't my intent. But of course, if something pops up, I can't resist. These patterns. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, and it's Ralph Lauren. Let's see. Oh, $7.99 in my price range. I love men's like button downs. Absolutely love them. Okay, let me go check on my mom. Remember jersey dresses? Any luck? Say, any luck? Look, my mom picked up this piece. I walked past this. I was going to buy it.
We do have
I get it from my mama.
Even though I can't be wearing Hollywood shoes.
But that's so cute. That's so funny. I see you. You fuss at me. You're still looking for some more cardigans? Okay, that's fine. Oh, okay, dresses are back there. I'm gonna take her around some more. She's... Yeah, but she keeps spitting it out. This is cute. Did you see this? Medium? But it looks oversized.
I just put it right in front of me.
Yeah. Oh, it may be a little tight around the shoulder. But that's pretty.
Yeah.
It may fit.
It is.
If you find like a black cardigan too, because you can wear those with, you know, anything. Try to find some black ones. What I'm looking at so far. I have some plans for these outside of just sleeping. What's wrong? Okay, go ahead. Yeah, if you see something, pick it up because it won't be there when you get back.
Oh.
Do you remember where you were?
Around the house or with tennis shoes?
I think you wear those out. Those are done. Over here in the kids section. Once we came over here, she started screaming so bad. She wanted to get up. Girlfriend, I can't take this off. You said bonjour to me? Look, I got you on camera. Being bad. On camera. Ow! She has snatched off the Fendi earring. Okay, let me switch the camera. What do you think about this, girlfriend? What size is this? Oh, that's for the big girl. That's for the big girl. Okay, let's see what else we can find for the baby. So far, found this. Let's see. You like this? You like it? You can't take off mommy's mask, baby.
She said, you're not getting nothing for her. That's what she
I did.
Oh.
But I had a dress for her, and she snatched my mask off and my earring. You think that's funny? I've accepted defeat. I'm just going to let my Mère shop because this little thing here is not letting it happen. That's pretty. The one that's really nice. And you can wear those with the jackets you got, the cardigans. Still the purple one. That's really pretty. On you.
I have a couple of shoes that have a little bit.
Oh, with a little heel. Where you going with a heel on?
Well, because it's real long.
Okay. Okay.
That I had.
You gotta dust them off. Like a duster. It's pretty. It's sleeveless, but that's pretty.
What's down here? Something. Is that just lint? That's just lint.
Yeah, just lint. We can wash that. Don't keep touching it, Mom. You can fit it.
So what is this?
A duster. You just put it over, like how you're wearing the orange one. Yeah, this mustard one. Yeah, that's pretty.
Well, that's it.
It's super long, so I'm about to get in line. But oh my goodness, I'm gonna be a good daughter and give this to my mother. But I want this so bad. That's how it's supposed to fit. Turn around. No, that's really cute.
And yellow is
Oh, we should have been shopping for all green.
I glanced at it.
I totally forgot to look. And we'll sort it out when we get home. You can just put everything together. Girlfriend, it's the least I can do. I want to treat you. Just put it all up there, please. Thank you.
and I think the price came up for this one, but I can charge $4.99.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Oh, you know what? Actually, I didn't pay in the mind too.
Ooh, bonjour, mes amis. We made it out of the thrift store. I'm telling you, it is a lot shopping with an infant, and especially like an infant.
And the older mother.
I wasn't going to say that.
Oh, I know. I know.
I was just going to put that in captions in very small letters so she couldn't see it.
I figured that. I know you. That's why when it said.
You said it.
But just don't say older mother.
I say vintage. Is vintage okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, vintage. We don't say old. We say vintage because we get better with time.
I guess I'll accept it. But I still mean getting, I know it means getting older, but can I say hello, everyone? Hello everyone. God bless you all in Jesus' name.